I'm getting these messages more often lately, and I'm not sure why, but I kind of figured I better answer the question. The question is this: how do I stop Quora from sending me so many email messages? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So, I've been a Quora contributor since 2013, over 18 million views of my content, and I do not get burdened by Quora messaging. I get very few emails from Quora, and I'll show you why. Go to your settings. Right here is my profile picture. Come down here where it says settings. Click on that. Side point, while you're in here, make sure you're using the email address you want to be using. You can add another one if you want. You can switch this one from not be the primary and make another one primary. Additionally, I also recommend that you pay attention to what your connected accounts are. At one point, I had Google connected and I had Facebook connected. And I decided I don't need all that connectivity. So just a side note there. Let's go back to the task at hand. Email and notifications right here. In email notification, these are all what's referred to as the content channels. General questions and answers, messages, comments and mentions, the spaces, your network, activity from Quora, on and on and on. If you look, you will see that I have everything turned off. That is not on, it is off. Everything turned off except for space updates, because the people in my spaces are paying for my time, so I want to get an immediate notification when I need to do something there. And you'll see that new followers is off, activity on my content is off, even messaging from Quora is turned off. The only messaging I get from Quora, for the most part, is messaging about my account. And because my account is pretty secure, and because I manage my account, I get very few messages from Quora. Go to settings, go to email notifications, make sure it's all turned off. Now, by the way, if you're getting messaging from Quora, and when you look at this account and you're not getting those email messages to this email address, that would tell me that you have another email address associated with another Quora account. So go look at the email message you're getting from Quora. Look at the email address Quora is using and make sure that aligns with the email address that's in your account. If it does not, again, I repeat, you likely have another Quora account set up with that other email address. Go get into that account and delete it, and you should make the problem go away. I'm Teddy. I'm a Quora contributor. I love the platform. We just got to learn how to manage it so it works well for us.